The thermal suite on the Carnival Jubilee is not included with your cruise. It's a separate add-on you pay for, and we bought it for the entire week. So here's what you get, what we paid, and whether it was worth it. We actually did a little tour of the spa, and if you want to get a good deal or a discount, because they do normally offer like 20 to 25% off when you book something on here, I'd recommend that you guys come and book your spa experience here to get a little bit of a discount. We actually got the couples massage and the thermal suite. The thermal suite just gives us access to all the saunas, all the steam rooms that they offer here in the Jubilee. Here is the men's locker room. They got showers in here, restrooms, towels, and the rules on how to set up your own locker. So you come in here, you put in your code, press the check mark, and it locks it up for you. Yeah, the missus and I are in the salt sauna, so.
Salt therapy sauna. I already feel like it's working.
Yes, you're really looking more and more.
Ooh. And actually, we just got the massage earlier today, and it was the restorative massage. Restorative or no? I think she says restorative massage. But anyways, it uses hot salt stones just like this in the wall to give you the massage to help you recover from I don't know whatever I need to recover from, but I can tell you the massage was really nice, but after I felt so tired and everything was hurting, so we had to rest for a little bit, and then we left the kiddos and my dad playing putt-putt, right? Mini golf. And we decided to come and enjoy this because we paid for the whole week and we haven't even used it. This is the first time, so hopefully we can use it today and tomorrow to take advantage of what we already paid.
The Aroma room, showers, and steam room. This is the Aroma therapy room. It's a dry heat room with scented steam cycles, so it's a lot gentler than the actual steam room. This is the one you can sit in the longest without needing a break, and it's usually the emptiest room in here.
You can barely see it. It's like the camera is like
the lens. Yeah, make sure you guys stay away from that little area right there when you enter the steam room because it gets really, really hot. These are a few questions people always ask. The thermal suite is adults only, 18 and up. You can book it on board at the spa. You don't have to buy it before the cruise. And booking it during the embarkation day tour at the spa is how we got ours discounted. We paid $200 for the two of us on that promo. Full price runs higher, so it's worth walking through the spa on day one, whether or not you plan to buy. These are heated tile loungers. Some ships call them heated stone loungers. They're shaped to your back and they hold heat the entire time you're on one. And honestly, this was the best part of the whole suite for us.
They're so relaxing. I want to take a nap now. Highly recommend this. You pay for the whole week, which is a little bit of expensive. We took advantage of the promotion on embarkation day, but I think it was $200 for the both of us. But I think we should have done it every single day. That's where we messed up. But we're definitely coming back tomorrow.
I mean, I might even come back by myself later. Leave the wifey in the room. Nah, I sure wouldn't allow that. She'll be mad at me. I think we're almost done. I think we're just gonna wrap it up after this and then we're gonna leave.
We gotta go and find the kiddos.
Oh, we gotta go and find the kiddos. And my wife is getting hungry, so we're gonna have to wrap this up here pretty soon. So, would we do it again? Absolutely. But we'd use it. We paid for 7 days and got in twice. And that's on us, not on the suite. If you're the type who'll actually walk down here after a port day, it's worth it. If you're going to book it and forget it, just save your money.